guys can see, it's basically cleaning day in the Woods household. And if you guys really thought that cleaning would make me not make this video for you guys, you know, the update video that you guys wait all week for, because I guess that you guys love to see the progress, then you guys are crazy. I know that you guys have been waiting on this video. You guys wait on this video every single week, and I mean every single week, but I think 2 times I didn't deliver this video to you guys. But I'm all ragged up. The progress is coming in. All right. Now last week, if you guys haven't watched that video, it will be right here, I believe. You guys can go check that out. I said, you know what? I was thinking about shifting, and I read the comments. I read every single comment. I tallied them boys up, okay? I left tallies all over the place on my notebook when I was reading your guys' comments. How many said they want me to stick with 360 with the swirl? How many said they wanted me to shift to some other weird pattern that I didn't even say I was going to shift to? But, I mean, you guys took it upon yourself to say, you know what, yeah, switch to that. I didn't even say I was going to switch that. But, yeah, it's cool because y'all didn't win anyway, so I was kind of happy. And then tallied up the people that said shift to 540. And most of you guys, thank God that you guys said shift to 540 because I really wanted to. In the end, I was gonna do what you guys wanted me to do. Because I don't know. I mean, that's what you guys need help with. I'd give it to you guys. But you guys said you guys wanted me to teach you guys how to shift. And so I'm going to be having videos coming out soon on how to shift, how to begin shifting and all that for you guys. But now it is no longer the update with 360 with the swirl. It is now update with 540 waves. So now I have 540 waves. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna rag this for you guys. You know, I had to kind of match the green. You feel me? I had to match a little bit, but I'm excited to get into this update because there's a lot of progress. What I've been doing is what I showed in my update video. Today actually, because I'm gonna try to push this video out today. I'm recording on the same day as what's today, like Saturday. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to push this video out Saturday. If it's not out Saturday, it's gonna be out Sunday. So yeah, so this week I really haven't been putting anything in my hair. Okay, I really haven't. I just been solely relying on brushwork. When I didn't put any goat drip, I didn't put any shea moisture. The waves are there now. I don't really have to enhance my curls or anything like that. I'm really just trying to put in some real brushwork to show you guys that really brushwork matters. It's not the products. It's none of that. It matters how much you're willing to put in. So that's what I've been doing. I've been doing the same thing as, you know, like I said, my comb video. So basically, this is like the proof in the pudding of what I said back in my combing video. So right now it's pretty laid down, I think. Cause to be honest, if you guys want me to be honest with you guys, I just ragged up like literally 5 minutes ago just to record it with the rag on. Cause I was like, rag shirt. Let me stop talking and let me show you guys what the waves is looking like. Cause that's what you guys came here for. So let me just show you guys. Can see, you know, I've been putting in some work. I've been putting in some work by myself. You know, I've been putting nothing but brushwork. I'm not relying on any products. I mean, I got my hair looking pretty silky right now. I mean, it's just gonna take over time. You know, more work I put in, the forks are gonna break. The pattern's gonna look a lot better. You know, it's gonna look a lot more spaced out. It's not gonna look all clumped together, anything like that. You're really gonna see the connections come in. Especially when we get the wolf cut off at the end of 12 weeks. So now we're ended 9 weeks here. Now we're going on week 10. And I mean, that means we got 2 more weeks. 2 full weeks of wolfing left before we actually cut it off. I mean, that means in 2 weeks I gotta put in some work. And you know, I'm actually trying to go to a barber this time. I'm gonna see if he can cut it for me. I don't know. I'm trying to find some barber in Indiana. You know, I'm gonna hit up all my friends that they cuts look somewhat decent, and I'm gonna try to go to their barber because I'm not trying to get my line pushed back. I'm not trying to get, you know, taper all messed up. But I think this week I'm gonna be using a product because I just got a product in that someone has wanted me to review, so I'm probably gonna be using that product the rest of this week, week 10. So yeah, you guys are gonna see the progress from that product if there is any. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, like the video if you like the video, because why wouldn't you like the video if you like the video? Go ahead and drop a comment down below, because you guys already know, you guys comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe, because you guys already know I'm dropping fire videos just like this one. But don't forget to stay wavy. And it's 360 Woods. And I'm out. Yeah!